Welcome back to another week of Cooking with Square Food Foundation, and this week we have a really delicious crispy tofu stir fry with some tender stem broccoli, some spring onions, and just finished off with a little bit of sesame. A really great chance to give tofu a go if you've never had it. It's really delicious, crispy, with a little bit of fragrant heat from some Szechuan pepper. So I really hope you enjoy it.
So the first thing that you want to do is to open your pack of tofu, drain it thoroughly, and then pat it dry with some blue roll, some tea towel, or some kitchen paper. Once you've dried it off, you're going to cut it into sort of nice bite-sized cubes. And then we're going to squeeze out any of the extra moisture by putting some kitchen towel on a plate, popping your cubes of tofu, and then just weighing it down with something heavy. So I've just put a bowl and a very heavy chopping board on top. And you want to leave that for about 15 minutes. Whilst that's draining, you can prepare your vegetables. So you want to cut your tender stem broccoli in half, just taking off the sort of harder ends of the broccoli, and then running it down so that they're quite thin, because these are going to cook quite quickly. And then just go through the entire pack of broccoli to do that. Next, you're going to take your spring onions, take off the outer skin, and then you want to cut lengthways In a bowl, you're going to pop some corn flour, your Szechuan pepper that's been coarsely ground, a little bit of some salt, and then with the drained tofu, you're just going to pop that in and make sure it's really nicely covered. Get your hands in there, just massage it over until every little bit of the tofu is covered. When you're ready to cook, grab a frying pan, put in a good amount of some sunflower oil or vegetable oil, and we're just going to gently fry the tofu until it's really crisp, golden and beautiful. Just keep turning the pieces of tofu once in a while, just to make sure that all of the sides are going to get that lovely colour on it. You can see here how they're just starting to go golden, and this process is really important to get really delicious crispiness. When they're ready, drain on a tea towel and then move on to cooking. In a separate pan, you're going to put some oil, nice hot pan, you're going to put in your vegetables, and you're going to stir fry those, keeping them moving all the time to make sure it doesn't burn. If at any point it gets too hot, just add a splash of water. Add in your udon noodles or egg noodles, depending on what you're using. Give it a really good mix just to make sure that the noodles are really piping hot. And then you can add in your soy sauce and sesame oil mixture. Pop in your sesame seeds, leaving a few behind just to decorate later. Again, add a splash of water if it's looking a bit dry. Finish off by adding in your crispy tofu, giving everything a really lovely mix together, just to incorporate those flavours. Have a little taste at the same time and adjust the seasoning. And then when you're happy, pop it into a lovely serving bowl and split it between about 3 or 4 people, depending on how hungry you are, and enjoy.
Thanks for cooking along with us for another week. We'd love to see what you're getting up to. If you have made it, please send us a picture or a video. It's really nice to see that you're making the recipes too.